In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple, floating, hovering text effect in DaVinci Resolve using only built-in tools. Let's jump straight in. Start on the Edit page and place your clip on the timeline. Open the Effects library, go to Titles, find Text Plus, and drag it onto a track above your video. Select the Text Plus clip, open the inspector, and type in your text. You can also adjust the font, size, and alignment here before adding any motion. Next, we're going to add the floating movement. Open the Effects library again, go to Resolve Effects, and search for Camera Shake. Drag Camera Shake directly onto the Text Plus clip. As soon as you do this, you'll see motion applied to the text. With the Text Plus clip still selected, go back to the inspector and open the Effects section. To get a subtle hovering look, lower the motion scale and speed scale. A good starting point is setting both values around 0.5. From there, you can fine-tune depending on how calm or energetic you want the text to feel. To give the text a bit more impact at the beginning, you can add a quick pop-in animation. In the Effects library, search for Crash Zoom and drag it onto the start of the same Text Plus clip. Then open the inspector, go to the Effects section again, and adjust the strength or duration if needed so the entrance feels punchy but not distracting. And that's it! You now have a clean, floating text effect that works great for titles, callouts, or social videos, all without leaving the edit page.